Hello everyone, Miss Saratella here. So I'm going to be introducing this week a new platform that we're going to use, and it's called ClassCraft. So this little video is going to explain to you how ClassCraft works. Here we go. Alright, so you should be receiving an email to log into your ClassCraft account, and there you will be able to set up your player name, choose your player. So once you get that email, make sure you log on and let me know if you have any questions.